In JAMA, researchers report if routine intra-aortic balloon pump placement prior to reperfusion in patients with anterior ST segment elevation MI without shock reduces myocardial infarct size. This was a multicenter randomized controlled trial called CRISP-AMI and included 337 patients with acute anterior STEMI, but without cardiogenic shock, as I mentioned. The intra-aortic balloon was placed before primary PCI and continued for at least 12 hours versus primary PCI alone. Infarct size was measured by cardiac MRI, performed 3 to 5 days after PCI. The mean infarct size was not significantly different between the patients in the intra-aortic balloon group plus PCI and in the PCI alone group. At 30 days, there was also no significant differences in major vascular complications and major bleeding or transfusions, and at 6 months, there was no difference in mortality. A disappointment. But the good news from this trial is that the mortality was incredibly low, at less than 5%. I'm Peter Block, and this is a CardioSource Heart Minute.